Welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to learn about the material of construction. So, a number of equipments they are used in the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, bulk drugs, antibiotics, biological products, etc. So, in addition, several accessories such as containers for processing and packaging of finished products are essential and they are used on day-to-day basis. A wide variety of material can be utilized for the construction of the equipments which we use for this pharmaceutical processes. In the plant improvement, it depends on design of the equipment, selection of the material, technique of fabrication. So now let us see what are the factors that affect the selection of material of pharmaceutical plant. The selection of the material for the construction of the equipment, it mainly depends on the following properties. The first is that chemical factors affect the selection. Secondly, physical factors affect. And thirdly, economical factors affect. Now first, let us see what are the chemical factors which determine the selection of the equipment. So whenever a chemical substance is placed in a container or equipment, the chemical is exposed to the material of construction of the container or equipment. Therefore, the material of construction may contaminate the product. This is called as contamination, or the product may destroy the material of construction. This is called as corrosion. The contents should not alter the properties of the material with which the vessel is made. When these are in contact with one another, the effects may be understood in two ways. The first thing is the contents may react and thus get contaminated with the material of the plant. Secondly, the drugs and the chemical, they may destroy the material of the plant. The product may be contaminated by material of equipments and lead to instability, decomposition, and physiological effects. It may also affect the physical properties of the product, like its appearance and color. Example of this type of contamination is presence of traces of heavy metal decompose in the which leads to decomposition of the penicillin. Stability of vitamins is also decreased in presence of metallic ions. The colors of esters will change to pale yellow in presence of iron impurities. The solutions that come into contact with the equipment are generally corrosive in nature. In addition, equipment are exposed to extremes of pH, temperature, and pressure. As a result of this, the material gets corroded, losing its strength and durability. So the life of the equipment is reduced tremendously. The materials of plants construction assists greatly in providing a plant that will be resistant to attack of acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents, etc. Now let us see the physical factors which affect the selection. The first is that the material of construction, it should have adequate mechanical strength, it should have appropriate mass, it should have variability properties, it should be able to conduct heat, it should be able to expand when it is heated. Also, there has to be ease of fabrication, which is very important, and it has to be very easy for cleaning. It should be sterilizable, so we can produce and sterilized products. Also, it should be transparent. So let us see these factors in detail. So for the first factor is strength. The material, it should have sufficient strength so that it can withstand the stress to which the materials is subjected in the production. Iron and steel, they satisfy this property. The packing material, it should withstand the rigors of handling and transportation. Next property or next factor is mass. The equipment, it should have a lightweight so it becomes easy for transportation. Plastic materials employed for the manufacturing of container for use of pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, they are widely used because they are light in weight. Next is the material. It should have wear properties. So there is a possibility of friction between the moving parts. So during milling and grinding, surface wear off and this material will be incorporated into powder as impurities. Example, during the tableting operations, this is very important. Such type of mills, they should be avoided in case of drugs with high purity. Next is thermal conductivity. The material used for evaporators, dryers, and heat exchanger should have a good thermal conductivity. Iron, glass, graphite, tubes, etc. They are used for fabrication of heat exchangers. Resistant films retard the rate of heat transfer. Next property is thermal expansion. If the material has sufficient high coefficient of expansion, the temperature changes causes increase in stress and the risk of fracture. The material should also be able to maintain size and shape of the equipment at working temperature. Next factor is ease of fabrication. So during fabrication, the materials, they undergo various processes such as casting, welding, forging, etc. Glass and plastic can be easily molded into containers of different sizes and shapes. Next is cleansing. The smooth and polished surfaces allow the process of cleansing to become easy. So stainless steel and glass, they are the easiest for cleaning. Next property is that it should be sterilizable. So in the production of parenterals, ophthalmic products, antibiotics and biologicals, sterilization is a key step which is obtained by autoclaving. The material should be able to withstand the steam and its pressure. Thus, equipment and vessels made up of steel, stainless steel, they are used. Also, the one property that the material should possess is the transparency. It permits the visual observation of the changes during a process. For this reason, borosilicate glass has been used in the construction of reactors, fermenters, etc. The economic factors is also one major concern during construction of any plant. The initial cost and the maintenance of the plant must be economical. Low wearing qualities and lower maintenance mean that a higher initial cost is more economical in the long run. So this was about the factors which affect the selection of material of construction. Thank you for watching.